Here's a unique way to support the swim platform on the back of a boat. Instead of using the metal brackets, stainless steel, aluminum, or maybe even bronze, this boat owner decided to give a try to fiberglass pipes. Of course, with fiberglass pipes, you don't have to worry about putting zincs or anodes on the support brackets. And these fiberglass pipes are actually exhaust pipes. You buy them at the boat store to do the exhaust pipe for the engines, the generator, and the propulsion engine out the back of the boat. So they actually ground down to the solid fiberglass here, glassed in this pipe, and ground down the solid glass there, and glassed into the swim platform. And hopefully that's going to give them enough stout structure to hold up the swim platform. I'm guessing those pipes are about 3 inches. Other things to look at here: trim tab, big wide trim tab, port and starboard. And looking at the size of this exhaust pipe, you know he's got some big horsepower engines inside that boat. And before you ask what is the purpose of the flap, that's in case you have to run backwards. Sport fishermen often run backwards to catch the fish, so the fish doesn't peel the line off the rod and reel. So if you're running backwards and shifting gears, this prevents the ocean from running into the pipe if the engine is not revving at high RPMs for the exhaust gases to blow out of the pipe. If you want to learn more about tricks in the boatyards, look us up. Ask Captain Chris.